Good day once again. We are here to solve a problem using Python. Here we are going to use a Python editor called PyCharm to solve the problem. So solving quadratic equation is very popular in mathematics, and the formula is minus b, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So that is the formula I want to follow now. And if you want to start, you go to file, go to new, then you insert. So this is what I've done to have this quadratic as a file name here. Now let me start coding. Now in order to do this, let's find the comment, that is program to solve quadratic equation. So it's going to be subdivided into three. The first segment is going to be variable inputs. The second one is going to be processing level. Then the last one is going to be the result level. Let's put it that way. So under the input, we are going to start as we know that we have ABC. Say A is equal to float. We know that we are using float because it's running into decimal points. Open bracket, input, open bracket, double quotes, enter value for A. So let's put column and put space, double space I put. So here I can copy this. If I copy this line, so I can, because it's the same thing, almost the same thing, we're just going to change some things there. So now here we change A to B. We change A to B here as well. Here we change A to C. We as well change A to C here, which means that we have entered A, B, C. Now the next step is called the processing. Now we have gotten all the three values A, B, C. Then what do we do with A, B, C? D, let's say D is equal to, let's take care of the aspect of the formula that says this aspect. This aspect. Let's look at this aspect first. Let me show you so that you are going to understand what I mean. Under this shapes, let me take this one. We are talking of this particular aspect alone. This particular aspect. P square for C, is that what you want to do? In this case, we come back here, say D is equal to open bracket B asterisk B, or we say B double asterisk, or we say double the asterisk 2. It's the same thing. Anyone you like to use. Then minus open bracket 4AC, 4 asterisk A asterisk C. So that's all. Then the next one, let's say E, our E to be the square root. The aspect we want to take care now is this. Under here, we are now shifting our arrow to the square root per se. This square root is very important. So this aspect of the square root we are talking about here now. So, and here we are going to say D, our D to be the square root is 0.5. That's power of 0.5, 0.5. That's 0.5, and that is all. Then the next one is our x1. What is our x1 is going to be? It's going to be, our x1 is going to be minus b minus, we use minus first, minus b minus e divided by, open bracket, 2 asterisk a. Oh yeah, so here we can also copy this and paste it. So the second one is going to be x2. I want to paste it. So now say change this one to x2, s2. Then here we are going to change the minus to plus, and that is all. So the next thing now is our output. In output, we are going to use print, open bracket. Then we say the value of x1 and s2 are column. So then we are going to use this particular to bring the float back to the x1 and s2. The first one is the 0 is for s1, this one is for s2. Then after which we put dot, then format. We use format, you click on format and you type x1 comma s2, and that is all. Once you are able to do this one, then